Laboratory procedures, especially in cell and gene therapy, are highly manual and require a lot of technical nuance. This creates a lot of confusion in text-based SOPs when users come across a step like rock the tube gently without shocking the cells. Now, in traditional text-based documentation, an operator would be forced to interpret this line. But with method made, they don't have to. They click the play button, it moves the caret of the video directly to that step, and now they watch. What does the author actually mean when they say rock the tube gently without shocking the cells?
I'm just gonna rock it a bit without really shocking the cells. It's right there. My cells are resuspended.
Now we can see exactly what they meant by rocking the tube gently.